Darren, are you coming?
She's crying.
What happened? Why are you crying?
Papa, stop it.
Good morning, guys.
Hi everyone.
Hi.
So we just dropped my son off for soccer practice. So my son has gone for soccer and we are doing our Saturday trek. So Karishma's found a new trek trail near the Hudson River.
Yeah, so Ivanka and I checked this place out a few days ago and we wanted to show it to Ryan. In fact, Ivanka wanted to take Ryan there.
Yeah, so my house building is just here and we're just going to cross the road and towards the Hudson River. So we'll see you guys there. Yeah, another Saturday family vlog. So very, very steep slope. That's my building. And this is all the garage area. And now we're just walking down the slope, wearing my camouflage shorts and chappals. That is the best way to trek, with your trekking sandals and shorts. And if it's camouflage, even better. So the Saturday trek begins. And this is usually where I go cycling to the left and on my bike, but now we are going on this new trail here, discovered by my daughter and wife. Yay!
Yeah, it's going to be a lovely walk, and what we both love about it is it's so shady. So even though it's so warm and hot outside, you're not really walking right under the sun, and it's shady, and you'll see some beautiful birds and some interesting insects along the way. So quite excited about it.
That's the Hudson River and we are going there. Ivanka is already racing ahead. So guys, a bike came back yesterday and I will talk about the bike and what I got done in the service in the next vlog. But today is total family vlog. It's so shady and green here and we are walking down slope, so coming up is going to be a challenge. But some good news, guys, I've lost about 2 kilos of my 10 kilo weight loss goal. This t-shirt was a little tight, but now it's fine, I think. So don't throw out your tight clothes, you never know when it'll be useful again. Okay, let's focus on the road. There are a lot of steps here. In the middle of our trek, just sitting to take a nice view. The Hudson River here, and the house is just like 10-15 minute walk this way. So those of you who know where I live in New Jersey, you're gonna come visit the Hudson River, okay? So we came trekking from up there because our house is on a slope, and now we are at flat land, George Washington Bridge, all the Hudson River here, very pretty. And it's very wavy, a lot of waves in the river because of the breeze.
Look at the benches. If you come here, it has, I think it's either it's a poem or something. So for example, this bench says "To the River Charles" by Henry Wadsworth Longfellow. And then if you go wrap around the bench,
so the benches all have
so it says "River, that in silence, to the meadows bright and free, to that land thy rest thou findest."
the benches here all have like a hidden message or
I think it's
trail
an extract
markers.
from a poem, yeah.
Yeah, trail markers from some poems.
like this one. And they're all poems about the river.
What is this here?
This is where those guys are fishing all year and all their fishing tackle. They had some music on.
So usually guys come fishing over here, and my dad loves to fish. So dad, if you're watching, we need to come here.
Sam, it's so cool.
I just love when these trees cross the pathway, but it should be safe. I don't want any tree falling on anybody. That's also a big tree, guys. So Karishma and Ivanka are fast. They like to walk fast, and obviously I also like to walk fast, but the vlogging is important too. A lot of birds here. They're checking out some birds. So I want to come and do some fishing here. Probably buy a rod. I don't know if I'll need a license or something, but would love to come here and fish. So Ivanka is going to show us a beach which is a little ahead. How far, Ivanka?
Probably like a bit more.
Little more of a walk, okay. So we'll check out the Hudson River beach. Courtesy Ivanka.
White butterflies. Can you get the butterflies?
Beautiful George Washington Bridge, the busiest two-level bridge in the world. Many of you would have seen my videos with the bridge, and I've driven on the bridge many times to go to New York. So this is the bottom side. From below the bridge we'll cross a little ahead. So pretty here.
I love the breeze. Nice and breeze.
How did you discover this place?
We were actually walking down our usual trail which goes to the riverfront park, and we actually discovered it when we were in an evening walk. And we didn't want to come down the trail in the evening because it was kind of close to sundown.
Yeah.
And then when we came later, we said let's go check it out, and we just followed the trail, and it's beautiful.
Yeah, we've lived here for 5 years, guys, but it's always a first time. So this is the first time I'm trying out this trail. So this is the sand and the beach, our little beach haven near our house. Yeah, so 10 minutes walk from my house is here on the beach. Ivanka, do you like the sand? It's just like a 50-foot beach.
Yeah, just a
But
small
just-
sandy clearing.
You don't need more than this. Do we know the way out? Yeah.
Yes.
So some people have got creative and made all these paintings. That's all New York there, guys. It looks far from the camera, but it's very close. That is all Upper West Side, Midtown, Downtown, Bronx, and Queens is behind the Bronx. So Bronx is all here, and George Washington Bridge, and then behind that is all upstate New York. So all videos cannot be BMW and Tesla. On this channel you're going to get all kinds of videos. Family, house, some adventures like today, the trek, and travel too. We're planning to do some travel, so those who are not subscribed, please subscribe, because in summer we are planning a Tesla road trip. I may do 1 or 2 rides on the bike to other states, and also we may fly to some vacation destination in the US. We're not leaving the US. So keep watching, And India trip will be next year, definitely. Every 2 years we want to go visit our family in India. So India trip next year. So anyone wants to meet up next year, we'll let you know.
I lost you. Oh, this is another one. See. Come here. There's a creepy bird. Oh, it's flown off. Oh, there it is. Can you see at the end?
Beetle hunting. Was it black beetle?
No, it looks like it, but it's another one.
I don't want to go near any black beetles. Yeah, we walked and we are just walking under the George Washington Bridge now. I don't know, I'm feeling a little tired. Maybe we should trek up this one day. It'll be a short disaster. Vlogging with the camera is heavy. I don't know how so many vloggers carry those big DSLRs, they are really heavy. I'm finding this M50 a bit heavy also. So guys, this is a water jetty. You can bring your boats or water scooters here and start from here. Just take the boat down here or take the water scooter and just get onto the Hudson River like that. I think someone's coming with their boat, so we can see. So this is called a boat jetty just under the bridge here. And someone's come with their water skis. So that's cool. So people are much more crazy than me. They don't have bikes and cars. They also buy boats and water scooters and everything like that. So this is where you can start your boat or water scooters. And you can take them anywhere across the Hudson and come back here. There's parking over there. You can park it. See the guy there, he's taking out his boats. I don't want to go too close, his water scooters. So this jetty, you can bring anything here. If you have a truck, you can just bring it, park and walk onto the dock. Wow! So literally on the Hudson River now. There's some geese in the water. An amazing place to fish. Oh, it's moving up and down. It's an active dock, and that's the George Washington. Wow, I'm exploring something totally new today. Vanka, this is awesome discovery. So guys, hit the like button if you like to see all this, something different, and please subscribe. So he's just dropped his jet skis into the water, and his wife or girlfriend is putting it there. So now he'll park his car, he'll park his truck, and he will go and start his jet skiing. Awesome. So when you talk about American life, all these things can be done by very average people or below average also. You don't have to be a millionaire to do whatever you're seeing. You can have a boat, you can have a jet ski, you get it here in your truck, take it in the water. You don't have to be a multi-millionaire to do all this. Alright guys, on our way back home. So Karishma, did you enjoy?
I love the outdoors, so yes.
We had a lovely walk, and I put off the camera for a while, so we walked back, just about climbing up to go to our building. So I'm going to sign off here guys. Hope you enjoyed the video. Please share this video if you liked it, and see you on the next one. This is the part I was dreading because we have to climb up all those stairs now, right up. Because my building is up. This is a big slope down to the water. So I've got to climb now at least 1,000 feet up. There's Ivanka running way ahead of me. So Karishma's the fit one of the family. But Ivanka and I are tired.
Yeah.
So we climbed about 200 feet of steps. We got to climb some more now. Anyways, now I'm surely ending the vlog. So guys, take care.
Bye.
Bye everyone. Have a good weekend.
Alright, final goodbye.